Yes, my people. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Now, know why I played that song? Obowe Yakiri. Obosa. Emi Yakiri. Jenosage did a video. Normal, his usual talk. Albert this, 40 million, 50 million, 30 million, 800,000, to 200,000, he talk even I don't not pay me. He won't go talk, he say if Albert talk saying a big boy, say my parents still dey upper. Say my parents still dey upper. Say why no, say why I don't even carry the come for upper. Go put it for why not carry the come for upper. Carry them come and ask for Amagba. For in mind now talk in the talk. For in mind, you want to talk with you, go pay me. Hey, let me tell you put something. Nothing when anybody fit talk. That's why they've not been able to bury me on social media. That's why they've not been able to defeat me. That's why anybody will carry fight, come out, follow on. They say, Albert is fighting with everybody. Yes, it's everybody, if everybody fight, you're like everybody want the people don't really do me to say more round that up. The little strength when you get, you fight back. The one where you have free, then if all of them not gonna get power, now they watch film where crowd like they go round the at up. More way, after go give them this one. After go beat all of them. So that's how me be. Now maybe the actor of social media, actor. The rest na clicks. They just try clicks. Me na actor. If you carry quarrel come, I go give you quarrel. I believe in do me, I do you. You do me, I do you. You insult me, I insult you back. You respect me, I respect you. You patronize me, I patronize you. You encourage me, I encourage you. So if you believe that, hey, about him, you have your body, you have a moral balance, social media can value you are listen. You know why my own they pay for body? Because I don't do what you do. That is why. Now why they pay for body? One of the biggest achievements why I don't achieve for social media, not to frustrate Jenosage. Not to frustrate the fraudulent business. A business me igbe. See, everybody feel forgive me, oh. Everybody feel play with me. One person will feel ever forgive me for his life. Now John, Igbegbe, Ekia yo waroga doni. Memakwe yo kwegbe. Ekia yo wake my back. Help me make a help person. Put money for my account, make I give person. Do it like this. I cannot do it alone. I look and say, Jobo. Ikbata easy guy. It took me almost 1 year. I used almost 1 year to follow up with the guy. That's why people like the Collins, Mudia, I don't want to give the British space. Before they will come grow, you come they proud. When Osage started his fraudulent business, he was very humble. Later, that's why I want his money finish on. That's why I want his money finish on. The guy can't begin his BA. I don't care. I don't care. You are even supposed to be happy that you are watching me. You are even supposed to be happy that you are sending me money. I don't care. You are not helping me. You are helping people. Became very, very arrogant. That's why he did Europe tour. As he come from Europe tour, okay, hey, Gala, yeah, in a soy. In a soy, quoi. In a moi, Guinée. Omi oma fan. Yen aye limo ya mo. Aye waniga aye limo ya mo. Ogiro biye. Oh boy VB. Oh bewe. They cry. They cry. Abatobaze. He relocate to Lagos. You go do the business for Lagos. Foundation, you cannot foundation anywhere. Did you even register the foundation in Nigeria? Not be abroad, you say you register the foundation. You operate outside Edo State. But as far as Abatobaze is concerned, hey, let me tell you something. Fraudulent foundation no will ever get head for this state. In Lame, you just say they give me 40 million. They give me 50 million. They give me 100 million. They give me 10 million. Make I give people for diaspora. My brother. Oh, where? Oh, time. Somebody called me and told me about your video. I get people watching a video. I can't stand and watch rascals like you. 1 hour, 44 minutes, 2 hours. What are you? What are you? What are you? So anybody here come and say Albert, I get what they watch you now. So person what you beg who see what they give me gist. Even Benny Yagben they point to your talk. They eat okay. Which minute for talk? They say from watch from 20 minutes to so minutes. Okay, that's any Yagben. Even I'm too busy. You know, people want to do that video for you. Know, past 50. So they when I go just stumble and say on a way video. Hello boy. A social media work way. That's why my friends are very few. I have respect for everybody, for people doing video. But the ones that they misbehave, people like them, this animal with their journey like a monkey face. That one an animal. I can't stand myself watching somebody like monkey face. There are some other people like that. So Facebook don't make it easy that. The one people where your head not correct to, the ones where their head correct to, please share this video. In case Osakolo Dion never knows I want to talk about him, please share this video and invite him. So I don't know to watch now because I don't have time. One of my platforms, I have 7 platforms so that they use when I say they do social media. One of them is 231,000 followers. So with a scout, with a work to get materials from now. So I don't have that time. Besides, data is not cheap in Nigeria. I buy data, just my phone, almost 20k every 2 weeks for my phone, my 3 phones. My 3 phones, my office, my boys. Sometimes we spend over 250,000 monthly on internet. So that's why I'm looking for people in diaspora, 1 or 2 like minds. I don't want Tifo. I know one will come and call me tomorrow say, the women, please, if you know you can assist us, if you are good in blogging, you are good in internet, reach out to us. Because here, how they meet me badly. How they meet me because my page is not monetized. This page, I'm not making money from it yet. So we are still investing. That's why if you try to spoil my name, I will come for you. If you talk what I not do, you are in Nigeria, I go put you for prison. Come on, Europe, a case why prepare for one. Every man because internet is cheap. Why when you hear you wow me? When I on I first tell me, if you talk with you, I not to say because you get Facebook to run your mouth. I don't get to place you. So before you talk anything against Abatobaze, make sure so you get proof. So I get all your ranting. Like when my parents they upper. I'm not going to my parents are very happy with me. How you boyenia? Sabo have your boy. It's okay. Area work. Make believe na. Oh yeah. What day? What day? Yeah. Oh, Ibo have what day man? For now, yet he said yara. I know if you go create foundation like you now, they're going to carry mad people, video them. Just to collect money from diaspora. I know if you go market now, go look for poor people, video them. Oh, people are going to say, yo, yo, I see Nigeria, yo, you walk by your mula, yo, emotional blackmail. I want to chop money. You blackmail people emotionally. You people know that many diaspora people, they get sympathy for our people. I don't say many people for diaspora, they get good hearts. God has blessed them in diaspora. They are looking for every opportunity to reach out, to reach out, to give back to the society that raised them. So now one of they blackmail them emotionally. Person will never do good before. Person will not get good name. Person will get very, very, very notorious character. But you will say in a humanitarian, say in a foundation. You don't profile most of these people. They just wake up and say they be foundation. You just see, bring a cat, put money, Q. A bag of onions is now 60,000 naira in a dough. A bag of onions. Who are always say, a bag of onion, bag of rice is 40,000. Oh my, December 45 or 50,000. All your papa brothers for street already suffer. You don't even know where they dey. Why utiya? It is you utiya. Even your own friends when you leave before you come from Nigeria, you don't reach out to them. Facebook don't make things cheap that rascals can just wake up and do nonsense. Bring account. Bring account. See, they are teaming up now. They are teaming up. I heard that they did the one Zoom meeting yesterday. Most of these diaspora people like get where they fight me. The only reason why I not too fall out to stainless. I don't big pass this person. No. You insult me, let me be one maybe 2 years old picking. If you know what they the reason why I not to take stainless matter serious is because again the man was a hold the reference. Tia shomole nyau. What's your quick? Oh, nobody can destroy shomole. Stainless already key. So it's still possible where Emani Kekome, the government or Emani Kekome, the PDP party my year, Emani like it, or ya miss it for me, where you had to go many days here. Is that ta or Margie in a block every WhatsApp? After some time, now blocking, you need to block him now come my before this palliative matter just happen. I don't want my opportunity. But the reason, even when people they call me say, bro, what do we do? Even when you have information go, you might load up and I don't need. Because she walked. So Osagie, you be Zeyamu boy. And I know I can win and Zeyamu now win. Una gwali go no arobe the diaspora. Una ye and Zeyamu yare go be diaspora. Which Zeyamu no. You come out, you say you donate 1 million naira to Zeyamu campaign. You know people will give you the money. When I have here lekute we view WhatsApp we me go. How go day you go they live on people's sympathy. Person know where you carry come office, you go use and take collect money. Who have a big percentage. Anyone not go Dion, I beg, I pay 100,000 for your account. Beg, give that woman 70. May you take 30. Ah, mama, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I say 100,000. Oh, you ready? Oh, you fear. Takparapa. So, also, that's all the parts where you don't do. No one, I don't have to do screenshot or recording. But if you say me, I'll go dig our chats in the last 2 years. No part where you don't do where you never invite me. I know they attend. The last time, even my friend Cambodia Lord, after he come, I say, there you go, say why I'm not connected. No. I don't fake friendship. I don't fake smiles. I don't pretend. I tend to say, as far Dion is still using his foundation to scam our people in diaspora, both of us cannot do anything. So I'm going to hold it wrong, go your party. And I'll let a party where, because it cannot happen, and I'm your knee. Ah, the apple, you're big. Hey, this is the apple of a big. on a lare party where 3 times you don't do party. I know they attend. Even the one where Error attend, you invited me. I know they attend. Because I know they fake. Man, so I don't know if you fake anything. People have been calling me yesterday and say they want to settle me out. Me and I said, settle what? What do you want to settle? Those are not guy issue. Who settle? I'm not interested in any settlement. Who settle? Who settle? There's a platform you have benefited from a platform. So I won't say I've not benefited from supporting Obaseki. I've not said yet it. I've benefited. My people have benefited. I have influenced a lot. So you got make an ammo in Nigeria. Even now let me. Hey, Baba Tiatayo, we've not tired. It take me years to build that confidence. It take me years. That governor will speak for crowd, will call my name. I know they lie put. People they lie for their own. Me know they lie, everybody know. Not be one day. Oyibo will suffer before pleasure. You suffer before pleasure. During 2016 election, I walked throughout the campaign. I never even know the governor know me. Because people were also lying to him about me. After the election, he called me and was like, thank you. It's a wale. Any attack, it's a wale. No, I don't tell you that I did. There are some proxy accounts here. When viewing, when I go create when I go create another proxy account, may they give them the work. Oh, where the proxy account? When I comment now, may I kick on out when I go create another one. So the man tell me, we met we are never for no man like iga moment mune. Iga moment mune. Igbe. So this last election, many people will be not there with us, they join us. After election, now why we not few? Why not go away and the governor here? Few. Why not go? Any flow. Why not go? Because during that campaign, people will call. Abba, where do you want me to come in? I want to preach a scarf. I want to do this one. I'll say preacher. I'll say no. I love you, preacher. I want to send you the money. Or you send down. That period, everybody busy, joy day. After election now, why? Yeah, you worry. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hey, yes, you see one here. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hama mieson, I'm you wa. Gumeze, yes, swear. Oh, hama mieson, I'm you wa. Hama mieson. I'm you wa. You know the everly the rosy. Not be every time it is sweet. During the campaign, it was sweet. During the campaign, it was sweet. Because normally the party PDP they get campaign force. Like a winner. Donation they call, people they support. And those in the diaspora, they throw in serious money into a dome matters. All show money to the more harm and lost to do. They donated to us, donated to people like Osakologodi. They spread. Many people on social media here. You go to work for every time, man. He went, no, go ahead. It's all of us. It's doing well. It's all of us. It's doing well. It's not a agbe local. It's not a local. We are very vessel. We are agbe local. Even yeah, but may we win. So after election, I don't expect you to keep quiet when EPM, you are still walking around the clock to bring down this government. That's my grievances. Anybody will tell you, say, ah, because in a CFO is blackmail, only emotional blackmail, Natana. Only a pity game, now pity, man, now pity. I don't want to be pitied. There was a soldier for inside Sambisa Forest, the primate Boko Haram pity, a soldier. I'm a soldier. Igor Beva, I don't serve two masters, one at a time. When I'm with you, I am with you. So, Osakuno, Diono Saige, you are more than can I be. You always talk about comfort zone, comfort zone. Dion, you cannot do 6 months in America. You'll be stranded. Because you already used to free money. You already used to blackmailing people for money. You can't. You already used to high life, travel, jaye, today London, next tomorrow Canada, next one America, Tiotire, go no Mahua. Make I see how you want to go the work now for America. I listen to one of your videos. You say you don't do 4 weeks now for America. You are irresponsible. Very irresponsible. You've done 4 weeks in America. Your wife is in Canada. Family man. You are irresponsible. When you America was so high in Canada, you are very, very irresponsible. You are very, very irresponsible. Yet you ever more ya gewe, but la go and face your family. Live ego emi ya. You go no wakwana and wa yo bovu we gwalona. Men wa here o. If that wa here like the life man, go and sit with your family, with your wife. Ya total ko hawe. Wa we your do me yege. Na we me na we do lele we be powder. Go face your life. Stop this nonsense. Stop deceiving people. And you put the what give you that's why I give more than beer. Give more than tia. Only people that suffer now for streets. In one of my videos when I was talking about CFO, I remember telling people, I said, if you have a relative that can go to their office, you only in a relative way. Ultima, I will tell them what to do. And I must work for it. I engage yeah busy. Hello, Tony, engage them, make them busy. Make them busy. Let me know. As I process your phone at the beginning here, that was swear. And yes, I always see your phone name, I always survey, we building plans. Help people they do things. If I just want to know the hour Rudian now video, how this place is wide. So my people, all these people who you wanna see, make una use sense. For straight 4 years now, many of them they follow me. I have been consistent. If I tell me the game only make I give by chop on, hey, keep your silly mouth short. If na money is my problem, I was offered over 60 million naira and a property in Dubai, a ticket to Dubai. I want already the ticket. I was supposed to meet somebody in Dubai. We go buy it. After that, I will not give them a budget of what I need to work for EPN. Somebody called me one day. He said, "Oh, he's a big woman of the town now. Ana bume do wait just me and I'll give you $10,000. Ya mu we go shomole. Before the meeting, let me just give you $10,000 first. He said, before I will give you $10,000 cash before you go meet to Shomole. I be a do billionaire. I mean, loyalist of a team, and if you give them listening here, they go talk to you and say a result in their morning. Why you come to say about all Damegbe? When I go on a mouth, no home, or Damegbe, or Damegbe. I don't understand, though. I don't understand. I wrote something on social media. I said, I am not for sale. Not everybody has a price tag. When you go with diaspora, let me tell you something. You swear the person. There was a time one lady called to chat me up. Then they might marry. And I chatting. We're very close. I believe she will watch this video. This one here. But in Nigeria, we're very close. Even near tag, but they ever see your eye in a go with me so they do. Can I want me? Ijena Fibeleku. Ijena Fibeleku. Ijena Fibeleku. I told the mother, I know madam was seeing a family war, but only I send war. It was hell, Ijena Fibeleku now one. A matter of year, I didn't tell the lady, they are more on you might know your through the other guy, no river, my way transaction. So when she came, she now told me, he said, about you are a nice person. I said, how? He said, look at what my mother did. You refuse to tell me. I said, I don't say one way or the other. You must hear. Because they want river. On the brand new song, on the go. On the go, on the what did they price also phone for me? Most I told us like 3 years ago. Or really, I'm not tell you my way some level. Or the green light may maybe red light. Or the green light may maybe red light there. Oh, me woman. It be come water. Yes, I get like more fee. Et dit on a bon fille les fier mieki on a dit gris là tu veux dire red there if no we say become married bon I believe say a girl ni maybe I don't know I use a process yaro when now we egbeme winner because I believe. Alors, if you follow that government, you don't have to do it. Okay. Oh, the man will be swept. Okay, the phone, man. Then in my hangout, I spent I spent over 100K. But he wanna go euro, but no, they go move wala there. On a go euro boy the next day I change it. You want to relax. So he travel. The next way I be the best for you. Where you did now? Yeah, drive come and take me. Come collect the phone. Book you are on a man. That's all man. Hey, how on now? You can't be cheap. You can't be cheap. You can't be cheap. Build a name. Build a reputation. It can't be cheap. I am consistent. Well, it will only take some time. I must say, about it now. I'll track me. After some time, I don't have a roll. Consistency is not cheap. It's not cheap. Tamuwana. Wait, to be consistent. It's not cheap. So, Osage, why not soon a campaign POI? As we speak today in Edo State, if you get anybody where is there you get respect for, it's about Obaze. if you get anybody who will show me like get respect for, they go like they hate me or they don't like me because they feel that me I join people make them lose election. I contributed to them losing that election. But deep down in them, they don't say Obaseki get person. Yeah, anyway, His Excellency Governor Obaseki Omoma, he has a political son called Abat. Maybe one of these days, maybe after some time, after the tribunal case, I have a gist. May I tell governor, where a boy near Batini, a cool or mono. Before they come begin to use federal SARS, they chase me up and down for Bini. It will have a BMT with naming ceremony because federal SARS in Akume. Our family go ne man yellow okay, gal press. Here is a smart yam and me moon. Oh God! I petition young man, I told you Abuja. What risk you take when you come they run your mouth? We create space for you to come in. You won't come now, you won't spoil my name. What the boy can also say, but what have you? What my Billy what here me? Spoil my name. So my people, if you believe in about Obaze, you don't say I don't do one or two so you don't like. Don't be in a hurry to listen to all these people. You go say about. My biggest prayer now make I feel get that access to the carry people they meet governor, not for the money, for that relationship. The first time when I snapped to Shomole, the sitting governor, I know the way I felt. Wow. Me and the #1 citizen. Wow. I was happy. I put my family able to celebrate and have it around enjoyment. I always have me a governor not there. Mama cost get level. That's why if I like somebody and the person is supporting us, I go try to say how the person go take meet governor. So that make in mind which make you know say yes. Who they work for Noah, that relationship, that common. I am very accessible. As people will know me for grand. I am very accessible. Unless I'm busy, I am very accessible. So if you feel if you betray to me, will I say, hey, the level now, Larry, it anywhere yo. We are here so more this also place also time. That's why when I attack not temporary. No if you do me anything else. It come on why. Let's do the right thing. During the election, people supported me. I didn't make it open. We can support our war. I didn't make it open. But immediately after the election, everything I made Birabane. I didn't need to retain them. Maybe even here we bedo even I want to do better. Feed my sharp pillars. Here the WhatsApp group. Yes, I have Kungore who go back out. But no. If you say you like a bat, you want to give away gift, you call. You know awa. Oba ima ene lai kino ye royalty na ya bai. Don't ask. So Dion, I sympathize with you. A fraudulent company where all day he color, he's a color on a way. Our financial already work with Egypt, farm base, we take come or take the time na color. He color. He is a color. Salogwa. And man, I'm a farm base in my consistency. In a color. I is a way financial all one day jagara. Hello, why you get me? I was sad a lot. You don't tell me. I don't your way. Why you get me more? Oh, is a Cali foundation. You have your fair take up. I not there for the foundation. Your custom to do video for you. Hello, this is Gossip Foundation. He said, color. Oh, I want to take off. I will guess where it can. I will guess you can. I will view ya. Remember, if you are married, I will feel like I'm near rock. I get wrong. I get wrong. Where are recruits? What recruits were now? Here, what recruits were now? Here. Oh, a video. If I make up a 4 mega ring. When it's on our format. That's why I have here the Kutego. I don't via WhatsApp. Now I am dwecking on my man. It's all right, man. They know they come for you. Now I am dwecking on my man with WhatsApp. So, my brother, Dion Osaige, the foundation is dead. Please make money from that your comfort zone. I beg. People when you go use stay buy land for a Bejuleki, make sure say you go give them their property. If government collect their property, we must go yegan. Quick money, quick prison. Sharp. We must go yegan. Say now only contact. Don't worry, okay, thank you. I'll give my contact before I finish this broadcast. Honestly, boy, they say he beg you. 200,000 naira land for a J beg you. After Dangote. Or 300,000. Yeah, we go. We are here. A government ya me out on me. Who ye gan? Have you go ya no ekwana ukya pa. All those Gucci, all those this ukya pa. Let me remove this proxy. No, you are creator of it. Nia mu na nuwa. Bye. Quick money, quick prison. Oh yeah, guy. Oh, back 10 years. Issue must the way government will just say they don't put document for that area. The one where most of it have a diaspora in you go to Nibuma, area Magba, Ailala, Bonorota Mona ya welcome. Me love me I need welcome. So please, my people, nobody should pity me, oh. Don't pity me. I'm a soldier. Don't pity me. I will not come online to play victim card. They beating me. They know I make a near governor. They oppress me. When you oppress him, hello, boss, double. It's a real life video. They call you back after the broadcast, yeah. I'll call you back immediately after the broadcast. I'll still round up. Where's it? And they feel me so. Nobody. During that election, we saw getting that way. We are the one that was like, ah, it can't. Oh yeah, it. What can it? Where? When if you want to go obey diaspora in that way. Was I going to go there? In my way, now where about to Akula Moya, a man in Mamun and the Lobaseki. So after election, we had a conversation. And I thought we'll be or Damiel or Madam here. So don't blame me for what I'm doing. If yet though, please, people should not give up. So police is not my enemy. It's nothing personal, but I'm not saying Managui. If yet though, 4 years, very few of us suffered in Lobaseki. I was not happy with Mokba Mobore. So that's why during the campaign, when I was like, many people like to Abu. Anything on all year. Anything on all year. Yeah, when Nagba to Von Fioto, Agbala la Moe. Amoero na Ela Lona. Empowerment area, not in February, everybody go see the wait. Not in February, you still wait. And the appointment made you. I'm not ready to make you go away. And there are. So, while what we do, yes, please, for those that want to patronize us. Many people they call me about I have a man where we see your food. They want not swing the business. Hey, may I copy? You need to do that's why I hear talks like just like I hear talk to you. They are never consistent. You flow. You berry. The same was I going to go the way say because CFO. When I started real estate and they do all these things, was he not calling me to market some properties for him in Iguamo? He might see many to get some properties. Must you spoil my name to grow your business? My brother, please. The business of CFO is a huge business. It's a huge business. It's just to help people who are when say yeah she go doing. You don't even need to do too much. Madam, this is the official price. This is what you are giving to us. Or some will say, it's legitimate. It's legitimate. People they work with me too. So property, real estate business, and partnership business. Not be one person to get everything. So don't disturb yourself, my brother. We can still work together. Please, for those that have been trying to reach us, my office line is 090 6960 5382. 090 6960 5382. Now, if you want to call me, my private number is 090 5264 8007. 090 5264 8007. Our page is Eric Du Properties Nigeria Limited. It's a registered real estate company. So that is it. If you like Osakolo Holding, patronize it. That's his business. If you like me, patronize me. It's a free word. You're somewhere. So people have been calling to say this is that. That's why the matter we will try to calm her down. Nobody should do emotional blackmail to spoil my name. Many people don't take them years when they say believe me. I don't want them to be disappointed in me. So say the truth and not lie. But we are where we are more can see where he. Now we hear a climb. Let's bring that about. Now during the election, Osakolo and Jerusalem they quarrel. Now, after election now, Me and Osakwonfo get issue yesterday now. Dionosage now and Osakwonfo, they will not come together. Maybe they'll come drag Stainless Joy. They'll come for click operation bring down Abat. It's not possible. Why see? Why see? Nígbà wo yóò bọ̀ náà wọ àẹ́rọ. When we are talking about why we only me we get new na bat. Gbé me say. Why we tie we get new ne. But me I fit talk with you I don't do for now. So please, no issues. No issues. Walao. Obaseki ma swear ne e be ke swear. Okay, I swear for no dollar do you. If it's for my personal interest, I won't be here. So if anybody tells say everybody wait there online, everybody wait there online, and for a personal interest, all are just to reduce me. Everybody know, nobody be Superman. Everybody wait they do politics, social media, but they just to reduce me. It's a strategy. That's what we call emotional blackmail. By now. So please, Dionosage, you are more that can be. Go look for what you will do. What you will do to the end legitimately. Many of your staff will come on leave you. They call me every time. What I see. Nobody don't leave crack team. Apart from the ones who follow Jobayaki that time, which Alasa Bremon as Osakwonfo the nephew, Optician, they are Optician. Now if now Alas after time me say Osakwonfo the build duplex as vice chairman of community. Now send care my brother. I get solid way. I got solid way, my brother. Not why where. I only want to check who don't work. Follow me. Will come and run me down. Not possible. But the manager I'm gonna let Dionosage Lekwa. The spoiled name they go. So please, my people, for anybody, okay, every year say I they build 8 flats. Now let lie, now they lie. The pictures not there. You know, if you go from Junction, just say yes, I'm at so area. This is where Abato Baze is building 8 flats. From the money governor gave to him. You not just snap another person's video. Video from the junction so that people will physically relate to say you know what now 11 gbere man get about of man. Video make you swear that will get that property no look for you, beat you. Your video say yeah, this is also a community, this is also junction. Describe the property, describe am who are gay. And the man make like, "Hey, Jenny, on that party, why you go borrow? You give me a party. So please, I know people. If I need to now, me why? In this civil war, you know, anybody have blackmail, eh? Anybody here black, anybody here move any ya? No only a PTA. When you are going to create a PTA, Bambiala, one day Bambiala, or Macam, Mewe Bambiala level. Mewe Bambiala level. Kinemata I not go on. So allow. I'm not stop bringing your fellow youth down. When I talk about correspondence, I say I want to bring them down. Now the part bring down. Bring down. Why never bring Jacobian down? A lot of people, why never bring Naija Watch down? Daliaji, why never bring her down? Cephas, no, but why never bring her down? Tell me. Don't put your brother down. Don't bring it down. My people, more else they ignore them. By the grace of God, by next week Thursday is governor swearing in. Second time swearing in. And I've already support him. And I've already put him for there. Make una protect him. Why making na mo eniria? Why bangbe? Why gwayo? Oshomole boys now, they hate Tinubu every day. They are trying to look for how to launder Tinubu's image. Yeah, Tinubu, but here you were Buhari. Is Buhari not the leader of their party, of their party APC? Is Buhari not president of APC? Not with PDP with the Buhari na APC. Why did they use Una? Una when support Obaseki. Why did they use Una till they cause Buhari? Because Buhari don't let them do what they want to do. They hate Buhari. Buhari man fear soldier niya. Oman mwane kiniya we ane rig do election. If you tell Agwalo le Buhari for where when you say I'm go see Buhari, then I say Buhari na tell Buhari that Buhari come be like their messiah that period for 8 p.m. And they say where you dey? Come see our Isaiah with Buhari. Where is Obaseki? Buhari not like Obaseki. Somebody they lie. Somebody they lied to at the Murphy that time. Your own brother they lied to us say now Buhari say he no want Obaseki again. I told the Murphy I said a lie. Okay, dog. You know I told you say that Buhari say made they remove Obaseki as governor. Mana do toy back way. Anything where is about Obaseki? Where is about Obaseki? I still say that maybe governor official spokesman. Wa we man verify emi keta we arewa but wa kweli vie emi asu no batobaze you know say Buhari and I go always say I'm go see Buhari but when I come to say Buhari not already follow the do not say me they go field. You are popular, go to the field. For that, as far as this year is concerned, you know the Buhari no age disobey might not be the best president. He may remove a Buhari anywhere when I say the government not the work. But no, the donor, the mama na wulo because they talk obvious so janiya or when you know when nonsense. Emania wulo they do for be like Kogi election. Helicopter ya ke azag different polling units. Cause you take the result in there. Please share this broadcast for other people when they easily they use. When are not they fall. They will not write results for everywhere. All they just need to do is to disrupt election, give INEC result, make it announce. They said Obaseki go to court. But Buhari Bakwe, Tinubu ne go fire with Lagos. Boss say Yamutia. They are on Waro with Buhari. No yo bonedo. Oh, we are born do if you do a wulo, if you don't make an ave alago down. So nobody should use you. You might not be happy with Buhari's government, fine, it's your opinion, if you write anything. But maybe we know, say, as a record. Buhari Maya. After election, APC National congratulates Governor Obaseki. Buhari congratulates Governor Obaseki. APC National say they know they go court. You say I'm not say as far as the national say they not go for he no fit go court because not be independent candidates. You run election under the APC platform. So only him as kind of fit go court without the party. The party don't already just say they know they go court. But now was there Yamufwa. So if you see that they sponsor hate against Buhari, it's because the election won't deliver for governor. Would that election wow the governor or seize ballet be? Would that be or would that way any SARS? Only election or see ballet be. So not they fought cheaply. They don't see that say they don't get the green light from national to go this. Now they are not sponsoring ADP and other mushroom political parties. Imunu wa maefo Obaseki wa swefo aso marege wa mudale wa gede wa mikira na robe wa gbagbe. Look at Emmanuel Agbogun. Emmanuel Agbogun now go dey tell you say in an activist. Kola go dey tell you say in an activist. Felicity go dey tell you say they be activists. How? During the election they were partisan. 'Cause 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 During the election, they were very partisan. They worked for APC, EPN. They worked for Zayamu. After the election, they are angry. They are so bitter. You know, my when I have election here, you don't get a serious pa. A big boy seneke. Now, he's not coming out embarrassing the deputy governor. So what was the big fixation of Bini? Let's assume that now deputy governor get the fixation. Are you saying the deputy governor, after working for over 20 years, not of it build one fixation, will not reach 100 million naira? When the election come, they're gonna play politics. I mean, not with Kola and them Emmanuel when they share palliative, they follow Izeyamu. But after election, and they are now using them to create problem. What they are trying to do to say, maybe as they harass deputy governor since they'll come arrest her. Everyone gonna shout to free Emmanuel Agbagu, leave Emmanuel Agbagu alone. Please, when I don't lose election, when I go sit down, let us people will say, Abba, election don't over. Abba, calm down. You are not telling Emmanuel Agbagu to calm down. If they are creating problem, they want insecurity because they don't want to make the inauguration hold. So please, if you don't know Emmanuel Agbagu, you both should go and warn him. Go and warn him. He is not an activist, he's a politician. He's a member of EPN. Make it not deceive you now. Because obviously the government quiet, not me say they don't get the power to bite. You know, fear wake up say deputy governor of the Bufis show. So my people, when I go protect my governor, protect the mandate. Please. Now don't give put up for them wa via olele anya amwegoto. So I want to thank you. I appreciate you. Let me give you my office number again. 090-6960-5382. My number is my private number is 090-5264-8007. If you have anything you want us to help you do, let us know. So Dion Osage, I sympathize with you, but I have no regrets. It's camp foundation when he go where's the revive here? Go revive on Lagos. Go Anambra where you go to carry chieftaincy title. Go create the foundation for that side. Create it for America. Make they shop dollars. Create it for America. Make they chop dollars. Natalia Obaseki, thank you very much. J Fabulous, God bless you. Edo Bosse. Now, before we go, if you are watching me live and you are a fan of Obaseki, you are a fan of the Wake-and-See governor, you want Governor Obaseki that you have labored for, that you have voted for, to move Edo forward, to take Edo to the next level, please just type Obaseki. Type Obaseki. Just be typing Obaseki. 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 Obowe yakere. Obowe yakere. Obowe yakere. Wegbenu yame. Egbe rameno. Obowe yakere. Type Obaseki wa gbele yo. 4 plus 4 ọgbane. Tap ọgbane, ọgbane, ọgbane.
You give power to make wealth.
To make all things beautiful. All I want is you.
You don't live the way. Now you make me dey happy. It don't be you, oh God. Say where I for day. Say now you dey make me dey shine like this. You dey make me dey live while low. It just so well. Okay, no so okay. Oh man, no ye pay go well. Hey, day oh.
Well, pẹ̀rọ nílé èyí o, òkúté tẹ̀bi tẹ̀ lẹ́yìn wàrà o wẹ̀kí.
Igo ni marigua lọ.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye. Your number, Vanessa Aigbe. My number is 090-5264-8007. My office line is 09069605382. Call me. I'll be your person. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.